Welcome back to Cooking with Diego's, and today we have a very special guest.
Hello, I'm Jasmine Pa. I'm a professional fighter, and today we will be cooking
Birria. So, tell us about yourself.
I'm a professional fighter. I'm based out of Burleigh Heads, Gold Coast. I've been fighting since I was 8 years old.
Wow.
I've been lucky enough to travel in Thailand, Canada, and England. I'm the Australian boxing champion and making my way to the
Wow.
boxing world now. So yeah, well, stay tuned and we'll see where we're going with that.
That's very impressive. And tell us, what made you choose fighting?
So both my parents are professional fighters, and
Okay.
being around the gym my whole life, it was kind of like a given to do Muay Thai as well. But yeah, I've been very lucky. I've tried lots of other sports in my lifetime, and boxing and martial arts was one for me. And yeah, I love it.
Must be the Mexican in you. For this dish today, we're gonna use two different cuts of meat, rib beef and also gravy beef. We are gonna use for spices bay leaves, cumin, Mexican oregano, peppercorns, and cinnamon sticks. We're also gonna use garlic, a little bit of oil, of course. These beautiful dry chiles. This is guajillo, and this one here is ancho chile. Then we're gonna use little tomatoes, about 6 tomatoes, vinegar, and a little bit of water if needed. So these chiles over here, we're gonna de-seed them, but they usually come whole like that, and you have to de-seed them. And we're gonna top those beautiful tacos with some lime juice, some coriander, and some onion. The first step for this recipe is to clean up these dry chiles. They have a lot of seeds in it, and it's better to take them out before we put them into the fry pan to toast with a little bit of oil to soften them up. So just clean them like this. Get rid of the stem. They're a bit chewy, but it's easy to do. Then you just we go like that. Put them straight onto the fry pan. The rest of them. Once they peel, then we can put a bit of oil in a hot fry pan, and then we're gonna put all these chiles in, and of course the garlic and half of the onion. And we're gonna shallow fry to getting ready to be blended as soon as they're ready. And now we're gonna follow by these tomatoes. We're gonna fry them along with those chiles, just to get the juices out. So now we're gonna put all this mixture into the blender, and we're gonna make a sauce where we're gonna cook the meat in. So we put it all in there. We're gonna add the spices. Doesn't matter what time you add them up. We have peppercorns, cumin, bay leaves, so to put them whole. Then we're gonna put cinnamon stick. It's a little bit hard, so break it down a little bit. We can pour the vinegar in. I'm gonna finish putting this all in. A little bit of salt. Well, not a little bit. About 3 teaspoons. And ready to blend. This is the sauce we're gonna cook your meat. Now we're gonna put the meat in the pot, but before we're gonna heat up a little bit of oil, and then we're gonna slowly put the big chunks of meat, just to slightly brown. They don't really have to be brown. You can just the bottom part, the bottom ones can be just brown, and the top. Leave them on top and pour the sauce over it. A lot of meat. Now we're gonna pour the sauce. You definitely don't want those bits in your sauce, because we're gonna dip a lovely taco into it. So you want a clean, clear broth. And we leave it in the stove for about 40 minutes. And now the moment of truth. Now we have the meat ready. So we just carefully open this lid. Make sure your head is away from the lid. And then we have this beautiful meat, really soft, and all this juice. So we're gonna save this yummy oil, put it into a separate container, because we're gonna use it for the to heat up our tortillas, give a bit of flavor and a bit of color. So just scoop in all the oil.
Yum.
Now we're gonna get some meat up.
Wow, look at that.
Yeah.
The spoon.
Okay, and now we're getting ready for the broth. So this was gonna sit on the side, and once our tacos are ready, we're gonna dip in our taco into this beautiful broth.
Okay, so we're gonna start with pouring the sauce that we
A
separated.
little bit of oil, yeah.
Oh, the little bit of
we
oil.
got it from off the top of the.
Oh, look at that.
That's enough.
That's enough?
Yeah.
Oh! Okay.
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 Come on.
You're more Mexican than me. That's better.
You can fry that. You can just pour it in.
Okay.
wait a little bit so it softens up.
Oh,
It's
yeah,
still a
that's
little bit
good.
hard on the other side.
Yeah. Should I flip it again or not?
No, I think that's enough. Now you can put it on the plate. And do the next one.
Ah. Wait.
Now,
Okay.
next one. So we're just gonna make them soft so we can fold them.
I like it. That one's on
Show me,
the
show me. Turn it over now. Here we go.
Oh.
Lovely. Get in there.
Get in there.
Okay. I think that's enough.
That's enough?
Yeah, now it's soft enough.
Okay.
And we can put it on the plate. So now we're gonna put a little bit of meat and a little bit of cheese. Fold it over.
Okay.
Don't be afraid.
Okay.
Now.
So here.
Yeah, just do one at a time. So we just do that one.
Lots of cheese.
As much as you like. And then a little bit of meat. Or a little bit of
My fingers.
Yeah, of course. That's it. That'll be enough. Now fold it.
Wait.
And fold it from the two ends. And
Yep.
you can put it back in here. 1, 2.
And
Great. Excellent. Now the next one.
yum. That looks good.
Yes. Scary, but good.
Scary. Scary the way I'm handling it. Honey?
Yep. Excellent. Now maybe you want to pour a little bit of extra oil to make them crispy. Just a tiny bit. Not
On
too
top?
much. Yeah, on the side. Yeah. That's it. That would be before we get attacked with the oil. That's it. We just let them go crispy. So once the cheese starts melting, we turn them over.
Okay.
Do you want to do that?
Do you want to do that?
No,
Okay. I wasn't given an option.
You do one and I do one.
Okay.
So just turn
Yeah.
that one over the other side. Quicker. Yeah, there you go.
There you are.
See, that's how you learn. And then hold it. Other one. Oh, it's starting to become crispy.
Yum. Way better than when I did it.
Really?
Yeah.
See how it tastes like. So in the meantime, I would advise you to squeeze some of this lime into the broth.
Is the broth?
Yep. Yes. And then put a little bit of that, a little bit of that.
In the broth?
Yep. Why not? Nothing. You
Wow.
can this one's out. You can let them cool before we soak them into the sauce and then yum.
Yum, yum, yum.
The moment we've been waiting for. So one is,
Okay. Oh, sorry.
I think this is your one.
Oh, okay.
That's got more meat in it. Okay, you gotta dip it in. This is
Yeah.
how it's done. Just put it in here because you probably make a mess. So just get it in there and just
Cheers.
go for it. Cheers.
Okay.
Ah. Mmm. Mmm.
Mmm.